Good morning, dear students. Today we will study some important things about Russia. By 1926, most of the Soviet industry had been restored to 1913 level of the production. Around 1928, the new economic policy gave way to planned development of industry and agriculture in Soviet Russia. The main stand of government industrial policy were rapid industrialization and large-scale manufacturing machinery dominated the national economy. For rapid industrialization, it was done to become self-sufficient and not to depend on capitalist country to achieve and surpass the most advanced capitalist countries. Large-scale manufacturing machinery dominated the national economy to produce capital equipment, chemical and other advanced products. Need of defense required the construction of iron and steel engineering and armament industry in inaccessible areas of Soviet Union. So this was the main stand behind the government industrial policy. This led to the beginning of the 5-year plan from 1928. The 5-year plan in India also have been taken from USSR. Now it is no more. You can say the Niti Aayog has came in that place. In the Yojana Ayog, now the 5-year plan of Russia, the first 5-year plan of Russia was launched in the 1928. 1928 to 1932. This was made for the rapid economic development in the country. It placed emphasis on heavy industries such as steel, iron, coal and electricity. Second 5-year plan 1933 to 37. It emphasized on those heavy industries as well as communication system and new industries. Third 5-year plan 1938 to 1941. It emphasized the production of weapons that required supplies from the industries. 1939 was the era of the Second World War. Result of 5-year plan. First 5-year plan resulted in the production of iron and coal electric power was increased and industrial plants were built. Successful one. Second 5-year plan result. Soviet Russia became Germany's competition in steel production. Third 5-year plan result. Industrial growth rate increase. So through 5-year plans they were getting their target easily. Now the main topic is collectivization. It plays a very important role during the Stalin's. Collectivization was to mechanize farming. अपने यहाँ जैसे चकबंदी होता है वैसे वहाँ था. Thereby improving production and freeing up worker for new industrial setup centers. It was a process by which farms were collectivized in order to combine their tools and resources. ये करते क्या थे, बड़े बड़े फॉर्म बना लेते थे, इकट्ठा करके उनको दे दिया जाता था पीजेंट को काम करने के लिए कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन हो. Problem related to grains. Shortage of grains in the Russian town. Markets controlled by the government, but peasants refused to sell their grain. Firm emergency measures by Stalin. He held rich peasants and traders responsible and ordered for confiscation of the grains. Toured the grain producing areas, supervising and enforcing grain collection and raiding kulaks. रसिया में शॉर्टेज हो गई भाई खाने के सामान की. गवर्नमेंट का कंट्रोल हो गया, लेकिन पीजेंट अपने सामान ही नहीं बेच रहे थे. स्टॉकिंग मना हो गया था स्टेलिंग के द्वारा, सामान आप स्टॉक नहीं कर सकते हैं. बट शॉर्टेज कंटिन्यू. स्टेलिन ने बहुत कुछ किया लेकिन फिर भी शॉर्टेज कंटिन्यू रहा. क्या कारण था? द स्मॉल साइज ऑफ लैंड होल्डिंग. These sons could not be modernized. Therefore, it became necessary to eliminate kulaks. So collectivization forced all peasants to cultivate in kolkhoz. Kolkhoz is collective land. Bulk of land and implements were transferred to ownership of collective firms. The kolkhoz profits was shared. Result. By 1930, 98% of farms were collective. Grain produce became more stable from 1934. By 1933, no kulaks existed. Grain acquisition for sale abroad became stable and regular. So collectivization of the land area was anyhow a successful one led by Stalin. Now you have to do one activity. Ajay was preparing a project on Stalinism. He took guidance from somebody, but when he started with his project, he got confused. Help him to jot down information under the following categories: problem related to grains in one curtain, problem reason for shortage in another curtain. There are four options: shortage of grain in Russian town, the small size of landholding, farms could not be modernized, Stalin order for confiscation of grains. So two of them will be in one curtain and two of them will be in another. You have to do this and you have to show me by doing it. Answer I will tell you later. So this much for today. Thank you.